What's up everybody, this is the Nemesis Coop with another video, and today I am working on my girlfriend's 2013 Dodge Fart 1.4 Turbo, and I am replacing the cabin filter and replacing the oil. Now I already replaced the oil, but if you do want to learn how to do that, mainly because it's a gigantic pain in the butt just to replace the filter, the link is in the description to my previous video on that, so go ahead and check that out. If not, we'll go ahead and continue with the cabin filter replacement. Now, what you're going to need is obviously a cabin filter. Now, I got the STP one, CAF 1765. There are other ones that you can get, but that's just the one that I picked. And you will need a 5.5mm socket and a 1/4-inch drive ratchet and extension. So you're also going to need a little bit of elbow grease, because there's a panel that you basically have to kind of Hulk Hogan the fuck off. So yeah, there's that. So let's get started. Alright, so down in the passenger side footwell, there is that fun panel that you basically have to rip off. Basically just go up to about right there. Just kind of tug on it like that. It's held in by 3 clips and this slide-in clip, which slides in right there. So move that out of the way. And then you are going to need your little ratchet and socket, and unscrew that little guy right there, because right there is your cabin filter housing slot. Okay. And then put this little guy somewhere safe so you don't lose it, because you, believe it or not, do actually have to put it back in. A lot of them, you don't really need to put the screws back in, but this one you do, because it kind of seals the entire system. So yeah, put that somewhere safe. The nifty thing about the darts is that there's a little thing right there. You can just kind of put shit in and it ain't gonna go anywhere. All right, so there is a clip or a little tab right there. What you're gonna wanna do, and this is gonna be super duper difficult with one. Oh, no, never mind. That was really easy, actually. I was kind of surprised. It was actually stuck when I first got it, before, when I was checking it to see if it needed to be replaced, and all this shit just kind of made it difficult to get out, but that was actually super easy. So yeah, just push on that tab and it should pop right out, like that. And then this little hook, there is a slot up top. I don't know if I can actually show you guys. Oh god, yeah, no. So there is a slot up there that slides into, and it just kind of goes in like that and then clips into that little bottom slot there. So that's how you do that. And then you just remove your cabin filter. And this stupid little carpet thing up top here kind of makes it a pain in the butt. But yeah, that is dirty. Dirty, dirty, dirty. And then there's the back side of it, which the airflow actually goes through. And this is the part or the side that actually filters everything out. And that is horrifying. So yeah, I am really glad that we're actually replacing this. And then for a comparison test, yeah, that's definitely about time. All right, so the other thing that I got to talk about is airflow. So the air is flowing this way. When you put the filter in, the air flows towards the, if you're looking at, from front to back, towards the back of the car. So when this was in there, this side was towards the back. and when you put it in, you want the ribs to be going this way. Kind of like that, you know. So there's also a little, there's a little arrow that shows you which way the airflow should go. So again, you want the ribs this way, and the airflow arrow should be pointing towards the back of the car when you put that back in. So, and like I said, that little carpet thing up top here kind of makes it a pain in the butt. So you just gotta kind of manhandle it in there, like so. And then put this hook through that slot up top. It's kind of like a guessing game. I have no idea where the fuck it's at. Just kind of feel for it if you can. Yeah. Ah, okay, there it is. Yeah, just try and put your forefinger up there and feel around for it. It's literally right up there. And then snap it into place, put the screw back in. Just like that. Not too tight, just because you don't want to either snap the fucking thing or strip the plastic threads that are in there. And then you are good to put this panel back on. Now, that little sliding clip there goes right in there. Snap it into place. And then you are good. And that is how you replace the cabin filter on a 2013 Dodge Dart. So yeah, y'all have fun with that, because I really don't want to fucking do that again.